What's going on, guys? Today we're gonna make pancakes. Japanese style pancakes specifically, because it's fun. Now, pancakes are really special to me. Not only are they delicious, but between the ages of 5 and 10, me and my son had pancakes together, just me and him, father, son, every single Saturday. Now this kid could put away some pancakes. He would eat 2 to 3 large, thick buttermilk pancakes, not these little silver dollar pancakes. However, for a 5-year-old, I'm sure pancakes are a little more than a maple syrup delivery device. So today we're making pancakes again, and I assure you there's plenty of maple syrup, but Vermont maple syrup this time. I'm excited to make these today because not only are they delicious, but they have a really interesting texture and they're beautiful. First step is the flour. We need to take special care when measuring our flour specifically. We don't want to compact our flour, so we're going to spoon our flour into our measuring cup and level it off so we don't end up with a dry souffle. So we need 1.5 cups here. Three tablespoons of confectioner's sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. We're gonna whisk these dry ingredients and then set it off to the side. In a second bowl, we need 4 tablespoons of melted butter, and we'll add 1/4 cup of milk. Half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then we'll need 1 egg yolk. We also need 3 egg whites for later in the recipe, so we'll save that egg white here for later. Now mix all this up until it's combined. Set this off to the side and grab yourself a third bowl. In a third large bowl, we're gonna use 3 egg whites and 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar. We already have 1 egg white from the second step in our recipe. We just need 2 more now. Alright, so we're gonna beat this for about 2 minutes with an electric mixer until stiff peaks form. So in our first bowl, with the flour mixture, we are going to pour our milk mixture in. And we're going to mix until just combined. We don't want to overmix this. A few lumps are okay. Now we're going to put just 1/3 of our beaten egg whites into this mixture. Mix it just a little bit. And then fold in the rest of the egg whites until just combined. We don't want to overmix this again. Alright, we're gonna start to cook our soufflés. So when we cook these, we're cooking them on a low heat. And when I say low heat, I mean extremely low heat. The pancakes are gonna sit in the pan for over 10 minutes, so they have time, and that low heat's gonna allow them to cook thoroughly, but not burn. So make sure you put a amount of cooking spray in there. Put down your rings. Make sure you spray the inside of your rings too. Each ring gets a 1/2 cup of batter. And then put a tiny little bit of water in the pan. That steam will allow everything to cook a little bit more thoroughly so that you don't have a jiggly mess when you go to flip it. Right, we're gonna cook this for 5 minutes and then flip. All four, look at that. The difference a little water makes. All right, 5 more minutes and we have ourselves some Japanese pancakes. I'm gonna just flip it here. Flipping these are hard as f. Alright, it's been 5 minutes. Let's take them off. Alright, these bad boys are ready for some syrup. All right, here we go. This looks delicious. I love pancakes, and these are amazing. They're thick, they're fluffy, they absorb the syrup like no pancake ever has before. You have the savory and the salty with the butter, you have the sweet with the pancake and the syrup. It's amazing. It does what pancakes do, but in its best form. Now let's do strawberries and whipped cream. A little bit of powdered sugar for the pretties. All right, let's give this one a shot. This one's just as good. It's very sweet with the whipped cream and the strawberries on the cake. It really tastes more like a dessert rather than breakfast, but it's pancakes. It's essentially dessert for breakfast anyways. Wow, what a difference technique made today. Just a little bit of water in the pan completely transformed how the pancakes turned out. We went from having an ooey gooey mess to having a thoroughly cooked souffle that was easy to flip. It had great structure on the plate, looked amazing, tasted amazing. I'm really satisfied with how it turned out. Thanks for cooking with me today, guys. I'm going to go hand off Ezra's pancakes to him. He's gonna love them. And remember, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you like pancakes, like and subscribe. If you like maple syrup from Vermont, like and subscribe. If you like strawberries and whipped cream on your pancakes, don't forget to like and subscribe. Pancakes, like and subscribe.